Hello, Tippendales. It is Thursday, January 18th, and we are back with daily tips that may or may not help you with Ariel and Ned. I am Ned Donovan, and who are you?
I'm Ariel Jenna Nissenblatt. First time that we've revealed the middle name.
A middle name?
Very important.
I had listeners, if you're watching on YouTube, you saw this, but I had a reaction. I was not prepared.
What is your middle name?
Hilliard.
No, it's
and
not.
Also, Ned is a nickname. I'm an Edward. Edward
No, you're not.
Hilliard Donovan.
That is so different from Ned Donovan.
It's overwhelmingly different from Ned Donovan. And a quick story time, when I was a kid, I didn't know my name was Edward, and they were taking roll in kindergarten, and they called out Edward Donovan, and I looked around the room to be like,
Who
ooh,
the
there's
hell is that?
another kid with my last name. And they were like, that's you. And I went home and was like, Mom, how many lies have you been telling me my whole
Wow.
life? I've just been Ned since I've ever known.
Well, I think it's important for us to, every once in a while, sprinkle in some fun facts about us. So
Yeah.
even before we get to the tip that may or may not help you.
Tip that may or may not help you. Well, today it's yours, Ariel. What you got?
Today, I want to let you know about something that I do every time I visit a new city, but you can even do it in the city that you live in. I would like you to go on Google and to search for free walking tours. You can pretty much do this in any major or medium-sized city throughout the world. I was literally just in Guatemala. I was in Antigua, and I was able to search for a free walking tour. These are usually tip-based tours, so they are extremely affordable, and it's kind of up to you what you want to give. And it's a really great way to get to know the city that you're visiting or even the city that you live in. I live in New York City. There is so much that I already know about living here. I'm from this area, but you learn so much from people when they take you around with the purpose of showing you something specific that they love about this city. So I have signed up for free food tours. I have signed up for free walking tours of the financial district, and I've learned about the Great Fire of 1835. Did you know about that, Ned? I'm telling you that if you sign up for a free walking tour in your city, you may learn something that you can then tell everybody about. And I'm just a really big fan of walking tours. Walking tours. There you go. That's your tip.
I love this tip. I'm going to go sign up for a walking tour of New York the next time it's kind of warm.
Yeah, let us know. Oh, and I'll give a specific shout out. This is not a free walking tour, but I guess our tip for today really is sign up for a walking tour. Some are going to be free, some are not. The Bowery Boys is a really great podcast, and they do walking tours. So if you go to BoweryBoysWalks.com, you'll learn about all of their upcoming tours. I'm a really big fan of that podcast. I'm a really big fan of walking. I'm a really big fan of tours, so check them out. And yeah, that's my
Bowery Boys
tip.
is a great name.
And maybe at some point in the future, we can do daily tips that may or may not help you walking tour.
Oh my God, what an awesome idea.
Possibilities are endless.
Oh my God. This is our longest tip yet, and I'm totally fine with it.
Every once in a while, we will go long. Bye, Tippendales.
Goodbye.